Okay. It's time to grab my flashlight. Hold up, I need to grab it, you guys. Wait. Okay. Now, what should I do after this? Maybe play around. I could. Yeah. Oh, my arm. Okay, delete. Ignore that, you guys. Ignore that. It's my first time ever making like some sort of. Alrighty. Alrighty. Let's open this door. Alright, let's go. Yeah. Alright, now that's my flashlight. Ugh. There. What the? Alright, let me drop this flashlight, man. This thing is cursed. It's gonna. But now yeah, let's just let go. Delete it. Just, you know what? Right now it is night. It's raining and stuff. Like that time was like. And I'm gonna need a light. Okay. Where is the flashlight? Where is the flashlight? What? Thought there was a flashlight in this game, right? Yeah, there it is. Yo, come on, man. Man, my movie was going so good. Oh, there. It's just a black screen again. Okay. Whoa. What are those things? Oh, would you look at that? Alright, let me pass you. Alright, let me check backstage and stuff, you know. I hope this thing can come through it. Alright. Shut the door behind me. Okay, I didn't shut my... There. What is this? I heard those are also like a fox. Whatever, I don't even know their names. Yo! It's a naked animatronic. Did it just blink? Alright, whatever that was. Oh, wait, that's a fox. And something happened to his legs. Whoa, what is that? Well, I'm gonna have to say that that's nothing to be considerate of about. So all I have to do is just pass straight through. And then we're gonna be A-okay. like I said, A-O-K. Okay? So once I be A-OK, alright, so I am gonna be A-OK. Open the door. Wait, who's there? What? I don't see nothing. Whatever. Oh, my head. What the? What was that? Dummies. What? Who? And what is that? Mister? Did that thing just... I'm considering this bad luck. Please be morning, please be morning, please be morning. What the? Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Okay, we're doing it. Man, just let it happen. It's trying to crash out. Bro, no. Cause if that whole thing restarts, I'm quitting. I'm about to if the whole thing restarts, I'm deleting. Finally. Put this on. Can you move? Hold on. I need this. Oh, why can't I move the arm, man? Why can't I move the head? Alright, that's all. Gotta do. Agree to disagree. Alrighty, are they gonna even put us on a show at least? Do 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 do. There you are. Oh. Yeah. Hi everybody. So, we're the rock and rollin' star, right? As we all know, we can be fun sometime. I will be fun and I will be paralyzed. Yeah, baby. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ah, ah. Guys, why do I kind of look a little different out of y'all? Alright, guys. Y'all ready to rock? We was born ready to rock. Yeah, let's rock and roll. See you later. Okay, see you later, I guess. I'm gonna have to check their voice boxes. Because I could have sworn I just heard them talking. Alrighty, first up, Chica. Alright, we'll first do Chica. Because, shy little baddie. Why? Alright. Hello, everybody. I am Chica the Chicken. Let's eat. Okay? It's kind of cool. Now your turn, Bonnie. Hey, everybody. I'm Bonnie the Bunny. Are you ready to rock? 'Cause I know I am. Now, Freddy. Yes, two. Okay. Two voice boxes. Things. Horror, 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 horror. Horror, horror, horror. That was the second one. My name is Freddy Fazbear, leader of Freddy and Gang. Are you ready for the show to go on? Because I am. Wait, Foxy also has one? Alright, let's check this one. You're it. Come on, Foxy. Come on, talk. Let me fix that thing. Yeah, I am the foxiest pirate. You can go, girl. Go look for treasure without me, matey, and you will be cleaning the deck. Okay, a little hold up there. I like that. Whoa, what about this one? Ignore that. What about this one? Sorry, I am your name is me, or you little bro. Okay, what the? Okay, never mind. Come on, man. Yeah. Alright, guys. Thank you for the voice lines. I am ready to rock. Shut the front door. Okay, let's see. Let's watch this tape. Hello, everybody. You know me. I want you. Every time If you were to die inside of this thing, you would not like what would happen. Say bye-bye. Hey, my name is Bonnie. I mean Spring Bonnie, and I might die tonight. Yeah, little bro need to go. Alright, I don't even want to watch that tape anymore. Alrighty, let's shut this door because somehow William Afton got in here. Now I'm starting to wonder what could happen. Those cameras won't keep you alive for long. What the hell? Okay, let me just ignore that. I have a great big place to put you. On the oven? What the heck, man? Okay, now I'm tripping. So I will rock your head off. I will rock your head off. I will rock your head off. Yo, why are they talking nonsense? Okay, never mind, man. I must be tripping. Yeah. You know, I'm tired of the SH. I will shoot you. I don't even have a gun. I'm talking SH. Okay. I'm dropping this thing. It's almost night, man. I'm like scared. Okay. I'm gonna drop you. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Alrighty. Should be good. Oh, it's raining, man. I don't like that. It's nighttime now. I get what they meant by all those things that they were saying. Shut the F-wording door. Hello, pal. Finally figured it out. Haven't you? We are the best. This starving chicken know how to actually breathe. Where did they just... No! Whoa, did everything just break? Where you stand, too, little kid. Come on, man. Stop it. Booshka. Okay, ready, guys? It's about to end. Just need a spring locks. Oh, I don't like speaking nonsense, but what I'm about to speak is in your grave. Come here, you dumb AB. My arm, really, man? And get this axe out of this place, man. It's every time I try to use the axe with this man, it always breaks. You cannot beat us, you white boy. You look like you came from People Playground. Bro, shut up, man. You so fat that when you went to the museum, dolphins start singing, "We Are Family." Yeah, I'm clicking off of Roblox after that one, pal. Because I burned you so hard. What below, baby? Not, bro. Oh wait, at least he got some meat to cook. These kids are dead now. Die, dummy. Why are you telling me to die? The one who died is your mom. At least I had a mom. Damn. You couldn't even see yours. You are right because we got killed. Oh, wait, really? Yeah. So you need to set our souls. Oh, wait, I'm dead. Alrighty, I'm gonna set y'all souls free. Right after I throw this thing at you. Ah! I'm dead. You saving our life. No! It's not saving our life. He's trying to hurt you guys. I'm not. You are the one who hurted them. Look at you. You're just one scared little bee. Aren't you? This suit can protect me from anything. You don't know what you're talking about. Oh, I know what I'm talking about. You're talking nonsense, and you're talking nothing. You hurt those kids? I hurt you. I don't hurt kids. They're lying. Now, why would a kid sit there and lie to my face? Give me one reason, pal. Well, that's actually because you can't believe kids, man. Oh, that's dark blood? No, I love the sound of that. Yep. Sit there and rot. Forever, William. Ha 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 ha! Whoa! What is that? Oh. What?